Hey guys, today it's Ella and welcome back to my channel. And my channel is Ella and
Daddy.
And today we are playing Speedrun Moon 4. And I have my dad here with me.
He's jumping up and down.
Yep, he's jumping up and down and me too. So let's go on to the first level. And we're not fast yet. Make sure to always get these checkpoints so you always will spawn where... This is not... Are you kidding me?
Super hard.
Yeah. Yes, and Daddy is on his phone. If you don't know, he's on his phone, and let's just say now I am fast, and now I can just beat the level easy peasy. He can't though. So, and sometimes he's on my character, in the game, in some games, and then I also have a profile at my mom's house. And that profile I use to play with him, and he plays on my profile. But then it's easier, and I'm on an iPad, and then he's on a computer, like I am on. So I'm going on to the next level, and I'm beating the race. It's a race to the end, it looks like. I'm beating the race. That's because he's on a phone. And if I was on a computer, a phone, then I would probably not win because he's used to doing it on the phone, you know? But, yeah, and we're just gonna be starting the next level. I'm on the third level, Daddy.
Nice. I'm giving up. I'm on my phone.
My dad's giving up and he's on his phone. Are you kidding me? Come on. One more try, Daddy. Alright, I just told him one more try. He's gotta at least do one more try. Come on. On to the fourth level. This is a very cool level. I have 26 stars right now, so I beat a lot of levels, but it does not spawn the other times you play, so that's the bad thing about it. But I'm pretty much doing very well, but sometimes I die and stuff. And be sure to go check out the videos that we posted. We posted a video about backpacking and also Adopt Me. And, yeah, that's some videos that I would really want you to go ahead and check out for me. And, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and, hit the bell. Finley, that's my dog's name, Finley, and his tail is in my way, and he's messing me up, so, okay, alright, that's crazy, guys, did you see that? I was like, oh, and I wasn't about to make it, And I have beat this level before, so if you're noticing how I'm being super good at it, I beat level 5. I'm on level 6 right now. So, hopefully my dad can catch up to me. And hopefully... Whoa! I went the wrong way, you guys! This is crazy. Okay, and... Oh, my dad's on the third level. That is so good. I wish I would have waited for him, but...
That's okay. Keep going.
I didn't, so... But he is doing good, and he is on a phone. Right? Right, yeah. You're on a phone? Yeah. Yeah, but... It's a very small little screen. I know how this screen is super big, which is... It's a computer, that's why it's so big. Ow! My dad just elbowed me. Not an accident. So, yeah. And that's probably to wait for him and keep dying, and then he catches up to me, you know? That's probably why he did it. So, oh, he said he's not going to catch up to me.
I'm getting out of here.
Oh, he's getting out of the game, already leaving. Oh. Okay. Alright, well, we have to, I don't know if we're going to be able to finish this, because it's not a lot of seconds that we can do the video. So, if you guys leave, a like and a subscribe to this video, that would be awesome. And if it ends too early, that would be awesome if you did that also. So, yeah. And I just died. So, I'm not going... No, my dad is saying that he can do it, but I don't believe him. You can do it on the phone. Whoa! Yes, a lot. Trust me. Even on an iPad, it's even harder. I play on an iPad a lot of times, but this time on a computer instead of an iPad. And your fan is knocking me up, Daddy. Yeah. Alright. My dad is. Why? Alright, so I'm gonna keep going because my dad said to end this video, and then garbage it, but I'm not gonna do that, so let's just keep going and till we get to the end, and we're almost at the end. Just gotta jump. Alright, this one is like my nightmare one. Whoa. So that is basically why it's my nightmare one. So I'm on, I don't know what level I'm on. I have no idea. Wait, I'm on level 8, I think. Level 8 or something. It's probably going to say you just beat level 8 when you beat this. Right. So, I'm always going to check the time on this video to see if it's about to end. So, alright, so on to the next level. Boom. I just beat level 8. Yes, I was on level 8. I'm on level 9 now, so I keep just beating the levels in a flash. Now that's because I'm on computer. My dad is not, and blah, blah, blah. I don't want to really say a lot of stuff, so, if you don't think that my dad should play, then just try not to think that he's playing. But he's not playing anymore, so if you didn't want him to play and you only wanted it to be me because I'm basically in most of the videos, then that is fine. Oh no. Oh guys. Whoa! Oh no guys, I just died. Okay. So basically, if you go to store, let's see what comes up. Oh, no. I don't think that we still should do store. Oh no! You guys, I'm gonna be stuck forever. Okay guys, we made it super far and we're just just really so far, and I can never make that jump. So if I don't make it any sooner, I'm thinking that I could end the video. But if you guys don't want to end the video, well, don't. Wait, are you gonna try to? Okay, so my dad's gonna try to get on his work computer, but he might get in trouble for it. Oh, okay. No, I'm not. Okay, I just beat that level. I am super far. I'm on the beach level. I beat level 9 or something. Whoa. Oh no. Wait. Looks like you can't play it. It says that you can't play it. It says that my dad, can't play the game.
Yeah, I'd have to install it. I don't think that's a good idea.
I sometimes install the games if they don't work. Woo! You're thinking that you're not gonna do it, Dad? I'm probably gonna win this race anyway. I'm already so far ahead, and you're not even in the game. Oh no.
Yeah, you definitely need it.
Well, I just beat 11. Okay, guys. Okay, bye, guys. I have to end the video here. The time is about to run out. So bye. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye.